Hello, Longisa. Let's go to pet store to see what the pet they have in here. Usually they want us to adopt, not to buy, but we like to come here and get the fish. We have fish at home. We buy all our fish in the pet store. Okay, let's go in. It's hot outside. Okay. Oh, look at this. Hello, cutie. All these dog toys and everything for the puppy, the fish tanks. Oh, we have a lot that in the house, in the backyard. Oh, what are those? I don't know. Okay. Fishy, fishy. This is. Oh, hello, birdie. Say hi, friends. So cute. A lot of you guys are so pretty. Okay, I'm looking for my family. We have some of this fish at home. And look, a lot of more fish. Oh, look at the pink one. I want to buy the pink one. They're pretty decent price. We had the fish tank at home. Oh, okay. We could put that. I have that at home. We bought the fish tank from Facebook Market. Oh, look at them. This is what are they all expensive, but you can go to my backyard and get for free a lot. I get scared of them. Sometimes they get inside the house and I'm like screaming. Oh my God, why? Over here, I don't know what they got. I cannot see. Oh, those are cat food for Janessa. Oh, they are them. You can come get them from my backyard too. I got a lot. Oh, right there, sleepyhead. They're not cheap. They're expensive. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, my backyard is not as cute as them. Oh, hamster, $59. Oh, it's not hamster, it's called something else. You guys so cute. My goodness. Oh, this one is bigger. Hello, sir. I'm just looking around. Where's the snake at? Over there? Over there is fish. They have snake and they have a lot of things. I came from over there. It's where's the fish at? Oh, here you go, the birdie. I already recorded you guys. Quick. No, I already come from here. What is this? To clean cat and dog poop. More cat stuff on this side. Oh, the dog stuff is all the way over there. Oh, look at this guy. Hey, you. Okay, this, I have a lot in my backyard, front yard. If you guys want it, come get for free. I appreciate it if you guys come and get it. Okay, thank you. I mean, my house is not nasty. It's just that I live kind of in countryside. So that's why it sounds like I have a lot of bad things, but I don't. This one is male and it's so big, but it's so cute too. He's so cute. All the animal from our house that is like wild animal. Of course, we don't kill them. We just leave them alone. Yeah. I bought a lot of this for my dog for the tea. A lot of toy for Elmo. Oh, my dog don't know how to stay like this. When I buy it, she killed it. She broke it. Yeah, we have membership. When we buy it, we can get discount. We put our phone number. Look at all this good stuff for our pet. All this good food. I usually buy my dog food from Costco, but the trick, I get it from here and also from Costco as well. She is a happy dog. It's a big store, and today I don't see snake. I don't know where's the snake at, and I don't know where's the dog and the cat at. Let me see if I can find them and show you guys. Maybe they don't have it today. Sometimes they sold out. Because a lot of people love buying pet. Pet make you happy. Happy. We are happy. Oh, they clean the dog here. Sometimes we bring our dog here to get clean and wash. And get a haircut. Okay, where's the guy at? Okay, the Alamo, the bird up here, the raccoon, the pet zoo. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm back to where I started, and that's the exit. All right, bye-bye.